Dibia SC4588 provides a high-powered vacuuming with 600 watt, 18 kPa powerful suction. 19.7 feet long cord allows cleaning of an entire bedroom, living room, or kitchen. It only weighs 4.6 pounds and is easy to maneuver around or under furniture thanks to its flexible swivel steering. Dibia SC4588 corded stick vacuum cleaner is designed to clean most of the floor types, including thin carpets, hardwood floor, tile floor, vinyl and ceramic floors. With its powerful suction, food debris, pet hair, and even cat litter can be picked up easily. Won't get stuck by pet hair with no brush roll design. Detach the tube and vacuuming head. Dibia SC4588 can be converted to a lightweight hand vac easily. The removable handheld vacuum is great to tackle small messes and tight spaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Suction adjustment. For better using on carpets, please open the suction adjustment button on the cleaning head. When vacuuming on hardwood, the slide button should be closed to keep its max suction. Number 2. Mess-free empty. The 1.0-liter large capacity dirt cup is easy to remove and disassemble for cleaning. Number 3. Easy to store. Dibia SC4588 can stand up alone and can slip into closet spaces, saving more space without making holes in the wall. Number 4. 600 watt 18 kPa powerful suction. Lightweight, stand up alone, 2-in-1 corded upright stick vacuum cleaner with 18 kPa powerful suction. Provides efficient vacuuming on marble, tile, and hardwood floors. Picks up all kinds of crumbs, pet hair, dust, and even cat litter. Weighs just 4.6 pounds. Carry this lightweight vacuum cleaner upstairs or between rooms with ease. Number 5. 5 height adjustment. Flexible swivel steering. 5 height adjustment. Easily slide over a variety of surfaces for stairs, carpets, tile, hardwood floors, furniture. Slide the suction adjustment button when vacuuming on carpets to avoid hard movement. 120 degrees flexible swivel steering to give you access to easily get under cabinets and hard-to-reach corners and wall edges. Number 6. 1-liter dustbin. Multi-layer HEPA filtration. Advanced Cyclone HEPA filtration system effectively spins dust away from motor and keeps the powerful suction. Reduces allergy. Ideal for home with pets and children. Removable 1-liter large dirt cup. Easy to empty and disassembled for cleaning. Number 7. 19.7 feet corded length. LED light, clean in one pass with a 19.7 feet quick release power cord. 4.6 pounds ultra lightweight vacuum cleaner with non-slip handle. Equipped LED front light helps to clean at dark unseen areas. Number 8. No brush roll design. Won't get stuck by pet hair and can prevent scratching hardwood floors with no brush roll design. We provide 12 months warranty and lifetime customer service. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is no brush roll design? Answer. There is no brush roller in the brush head. It won't get stuck by pet hair and can prevent scratching hardwood floors. Question number 2. Can this be used on shag carpet? I just put a shag under my dining room table. The description says it's for use on thin carpet. Answer. This vacuum is no brush roll design. It can clean the debris on the surface of the shag carpet. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.